Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of mobile app development using Flutter. If you're a seasoned developer looking to expand your skill set or a beginner eager to learn, this video will guide you through the process of creating your very own mobile app from scratch. So join us on this exciting adventure as we bring our mobile app idea to life. Now let's dive in and start creating.
First step, open the Android Studio so you can select the file and create the mobile app. You need to type with name, then inside the parentheses, type the material app, serve as a blank app. Now to put the text, type home colon, then text apostrophe, for example, type hello world. Then if you want to customize properties, the text of your style, then text style inside the text. Style you can edit the properties of the text like font style, font weight, font size. Good. And thank you. Main function. Function, this is the entry point of the Flutter app that calls the run app function. Passing an instance of my app, the class is a stateless widget, which is represent the entry application, returns a material app widget. Widgets is a container for your app, scaffold widget to provide a basic structure, the app layout, including an app bar and body. App bar widget this represent the app bar at the top of the screen with the title Hello World. Body property is the main content of the app, which consists of the center widget containing a text widget playing Hello World. After that, save the file.
And here's the code for scaffold and app bar widget. First, I have here the scaffold, which provides the basic structure for the app's layout and consists of an app bar, a body, and an optional floating action button. Second, I have here the app bar widget that represents the app bar at the top of the screen. As you can see, I have here my first app. And next to the center widget, center its child widget in the available space. I have here, this is my first mobile app. And to the text widget that displays a text message, and to style text message, I call out the text style. And for the font, we can set properties like font size, font weight, font family. And for the colors, we can use predefined ones like colors.blue, colors.black, colors.red, or set your own using hexadecimal codes and RGB values. The text style is used to customize text appearance. Lastly, I have here the floating action button, the optional one that floats above the body content of the scaffold. As you can see here, the click, and I set the color into red, and that's it.
In Flutter, you can include image assets by placing them in the directory of your Flutter project. Then you need to specify these assets in the File under the Flutter section. First, prepare your image. Place your image files, for example, JPG, PNG, or GIF, in the directory of your Flutter project. Second one is update. Open your file and add an asset section under Flutter. Third one is you can access these assets in your Flutter code using the image asset constructor for image stored locally. You can manage your image assets directly within the Android Studio. Simply navigate to the file and there's a handy GUI for adding and managing assets. You can also view and access the assets directory within the Project Explorer. In Flutter, buttons and icons are crucial components for user interaction and visual representation. Flutter provides various buttons, widgets like elevate button, text button, and icon button. These buttons can be customized with different properties such as on press for defining actions, style for adjusting appearance, and child for setting the button's content. Flutter allows you to use icons from different icon packs like material icons, custom icons. You can use the icon widget to display icons by specifying the icon data and styling options. You can also customize icons by changing their color, size, and other properties according to your app's requirements.
Body of the scaffold is set to a center widget which centers its child widget within itself. Inside the center widget, there's a container widget. Container is a versatile widget that allows you to customize its appearance, such as color, padding, margin, etc. The margin and padding properties of the container are set using action sets that from LTRB. This creates sets with specific values for the left, top, right, and bottom edges. The decoration property of the container is set to a box decoration, which allows you to decorate the container with background color, borders, etc. The child of the container is set to a text widget with the text sampled using action sets that from LTRB is styled with color and a font size of 20 pixels. I think, yeah. Finds the space around the content of a widget provides empty space between the widget contents and its edges. In Flutter, you can add padding to a widget using the padding property. You can specify padding using action set class, which allows you to set padding for each side, the top, bottom, left, and right, individually or symmetrically. And margin is the space outside the content of a widget. It provides empty space between the widget and its surrounding widgets. In Flutter, you can add margin to a widget using the margin property similar to padding. You can specify margin using action sets too. And border is the visual outline around the content of a widget. In Flutter, you can add borders to your widget that supports them, such as containers. You can specify borders using the border class, which includes properties for border color, width, and style. And container is a versatile widget in Flutter that allows you to customize the appearance and layout of its child widget. It can be used to add padding, margin, border, alignment, and more to its widget. It's commonly used as a layout component to create visual elements with custom styles. In summary, padding adds space inside the widget, margin adds space inside the widget, border adds visual outline to the widget, and container is a versatile widget used for customizing the appearance and layout of widget, including padding, margin, and border.
The body of the scaffold is a center widget, which centers its child widget within itself. Inside the center, we have a container. We use edge insets that's symmetric to set both the margin and padding symmetrically. The margin is set to edge insets that's symmetric, vertical 30.0, horizontal 20.0. To provide 30.0 pixels of vertical margin and 20.0 pixels of horizontal margin, the padding is set to edge insets that's symmetric, vertical 20.0, horizontal 10.0. To provide 20.0 pixels of vertical padding and 10.0 pixels of horizontal padding, we use a box decoration to customize the appearance of the container with a blue background color and a black border. Inside the container, we have a text widget with a text example using edge insets that's symmetric, styled with white color and the font size of 20.0. The body of the scaffold contains a center widget, which centers its child vertically and horizontally. Inside the center widget, we have a container widget. The margin property of this container is set to edge insets that all 20.0, which adds a margin of 20.0 pixels on all sides of the container. The container has a blue background color and contains a text widget with a text widget with margins, styled with white color. As a result, the text widget inside the container is visually separated from the edges of the screen by a margin of 20.0 pixels on all sides. The body of the scaffold is set to a center widget, which centers its child widget within itself. Inside the center widget, there's a container widget. Container is a versatile widget that allows you to customize its appearance, such as colors, padding, margin, and etc. The margin and padding properties of the container are set using edge insets that from LTRB. This creates inset with specific values for the left, top, right, and bottom edges. The decoration property of the container is set to a box decoration, which allows you to decorate the container with background, color, borders, and etc. The child of the container is set to a text widget with a text example using edge insets that from LTRB. It's styled with white color and a font size of 20.0.